In this second part of the video, you will learn how to solve these kind of equations. Of course, you can simplify this equation to get a quadratic equation in its standard form, which is x squared minus 10x plus 21 equals 0. And then use mode 5-3 in the calculator to get the roots of the equation here. But let's learn how to do this without the calculator. As we see here, we have the square of a binomial x minus 5 equals 4 here. In order to extract x from the square, we do the opposite operation of a square, which is the square root. So we take a square root of both sides. But remember, when we do that, we get plus or minus the square root of 4 on the other side. If you want to understand why we have positive and negative answer here, consider the case of a squared equals 9. We know that two answers exist because 3 squared is equal 9 and negative 3 squared is also equal 9. Let's come back to our problem here, where we have to simplify the equation. But remember, a square root is the inverse operation of a square, which means they cancel each other. So now we have x minus 5 equals plus or minus 2. So this means we have two simple linear equations to solve. First one is x minus 5 equals plus 2, which yields the answer x equals 7. And the second one, x minus 5 equals negative 2, which yields the answer x equals 3. So the two solutions we were looking for are 7 and 3. You can check these answers in the original equation given up here.